Three types of crimes. The first one is crime against the person. Crimes against person are those whose victims are always individuals. Example of crimes against person include murder, rape, and assault, etc. Crime against property. Crimes against property are crimes that involve the taking of property without the owner's consent. Some examples of crimes against property include theft, burglary, robbery, arson, and vandalism. Theft is the act of taking someone else's property without their permission. Burglary is the act of breaking into someone's home or business with the intent to commit a crime. Robbery is the act of taking someone's property by force or threat of force. Arson is the act of setting fire to someone else's property. Vandalism is the act of damaging or destroying someone else's property. Victimless crimes. The third tier is victimless crimes, which refer to crimes those that do not have a direct victim. They are also known as consensual crimes. Example of victimless crimes include drug